Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afifah Liana Mauludia and I am 1803211000029. Sustainable agriculture is an agricultural concept that can meet food needs obtained from animal or vegetable sources in a way that is economically, socially, and environmentally beneficial. The type of data used in this research is secondary data. The aim of this research is to analyze and provide an actual description of the descriptive analysis method. Application of sustainable agriculture is very important to meet national basic material needs are faced with increasingly reduced its agricultural land. So it takes to be implemented to the addition of rice area for the fulfillment of the reserve of the staple. In addition, the existing rice field also need be maintained in soil fertility. The way to maintain soil fertility is by running a sustainable agriculture system. Ecological principle to implement organic farming by means of improvement of soil condition, optimizing the availability and cycling of nutrient balance, cope with the loss of crops, and make use of genetic sources. Approach could encourage sustainable agriculture is integrated pest control, a system of rotation and grass cultivation, conservation of land, maintain water quality or wetland, cover crop, diversification of plant and crop, agroforestry and marketing. Opportunity to develop organic farming is increasing the biomass to the primary source of organic input, may be carried out in areas that have high rainfall and compost and reset basic material from composting by utilizing material that already exists. Technology that can be used to develop and promote organic agriculture is the technology of conventional farming is still carried out. The principle of organic farming shall be included in the package of agriculture technology. The increase in knowledge through education and training, provision mission of certification, accreditation, and labeling. Need farmers' perception of government support in the implementation of sustainable agriculture system is government support. To that, to encourage the adaptation of sustainable agriculture system can be seen in the service of education and training. Perception of farmers on government support in the implementation of sustainable agriculture system rate on the availability of facilities and infrastructure.